Everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been a subscriber for a while, I appreciate you coming back and watching another fragrance review. If you like this video, please give it a like. Please hit that subscribe button below. Please click on post notifications so you get notified when I release a new fragrance review each and every week. Today I'm going to give you a fragrance that just came out not too long ago. Ford Soleil Blanc. So stay tuned. Ford Soleil Blanc. Ford Soleil Blanc. Great fragrance overall. Now before I get into the notes and the breakdown, how it is and projection and performance, I want to do an unboxing for you guys so you can see what the box looks like and what's inside of it. Ford 1.7 ounce bottle. Side of the box. Back of the box with some information. What's all in it and stuff. The bottom of the box with the information where I purchased this at Macy's. Ford logo, TF. Really nice texture, really nice kind of line, kind of like, you know, really little silk, kind of like line engraved texture, really nice. Just inside the box. A bottle presentation, real nice bottle. Bottom is, you know, 1.7 ounces. Top is real nice. It's got the Ford in gold. Fix that for you guys. Ford in gold. So when you initially spray this, it smells like a very, very expensive suntan lotion. I know it's kind of weird saying that, but that's the vibe I get. More of like you go to the beach, you're walking down the beach, you see the beautiful girl or you see the guy just chilling, you know, relaxing, and you walk by and they have a really nice, smellful suntan lotion on. You know, it's a great vibe for the summertime. You really can't go wrong with that. You know, I don't suggest wearing this at all in the winter. It's really not going to project that well. And fall, not really. This is more of like a spring, summer fragrance for anybody out there that wants to try this. The price point for this fragrance here goes for roughly about $171. It's up to $200, and then there's higher ones for like $500. But that's Ford, and that's what you expect. They make great quality fragrances, great clothing line, great suits and tuxedos. You really can't go wrong with it. They make a lot of fragrances for men and for females. When I first saw this at Macy's, I sprayed it and I really liked it. So I said, I gotta get this. And then they had a sale not too long ago for 15% off on Macy's. So I picked it up and grabbed it for like under 100 and something bucks. I was like, cool. So I got it, I sprayed it. So my first initial was, oh, this is awesome, I'm gonna wear it. So I wear it out and horrible. I got 45 minutes to an hour of projection. It hurt because I really like the scent a lot for the summertime. Very awesome scent. Longevity wise on my skin, maybe 6 hours if I'm lucky, maybe 5. So about 5-6 hour mark. You know, this is my second Ford fragrance I have. My first one I have is Ford Gray Vetiver, and that even lasts better. I get 2 hours projection with that, and I get about maybe 7-8 hours of longevity on my skin. So I figured this would work, you know, as good, but it doesn't. You know, it was very disappointing for me to actually, once I, you know, wore it for a while, and compliment factor wise, people said it smelled feminine, you know, more girly, you know, or they smelled the suntan lotion, or that's what they kind of smelled like. It was a rich suntan lotion. It is what it is. You know, would I recommend this for you or somebody else? I would say go out and spray it at Macy's and try it. I don't want to suggest you go blind buy it for somebody and they don't really like it. And performance wise isn't that great. Like I said, for 45 minutes to an hour, you're really not going to really enjoy it. You know, it goes away before you know it. And for longevity, it's nice, but it's very, very close to the skin. So you have to be within your vicinity area, like a hug or a kiss or talking to them one-on-one to actually smell this. And it's very disappointing because it's a very great fragrance. If it projected really great, man, a lot of people will buy this fragrance. You know, it's a very great fragrance by Tom Ford. Tom Ford makes great stuff. Because I have great vetiver, so I tell you right there, that fragrance works amazingly. A very clean, fresh out the shower smell. I'd like to appreciate you guys watching my channel. If you would like to enter the contest, you can get one decant bottle of this for the first 5 subscribers that subscribe to my channel. Or if you're already a subscriber, I'll put names in a hat and I'll reveal the names out to each winner that wins. All you have to do is like the video. Please leave a comment. Tell me why you want to try Tom Ford Soleil Blanc EDT. That's pretty much it. I appreciate you watching my channel. Please hit the subscribe button. It helps me out a whole lot. It shows me that you guys like the content that I put out each week, and I'm doing a good job of what I do. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.